Okay.
Yeah.
So variable you can think like a box with a label. Okay.
Hmm.
So box have a space where you can put any value, put anything. Am I right? Like your this sugar box, which have a, you can say we have a label called sugar there, and in that sugar we can mean sugar is there in that box or in that container. Makes sense.
Hmm.
Same thing with this. Tomorrow, if we want, label is sugar only, but we can fill another item as well, salt or another thing, isn't it?
Hmm.
Variable declaration. So this is a way to declare a variable. We can use three keyword: let, const, and var. Okay.
Hmm. So um, over here, um, we know that Deepak is string, right?
Yes.
And 30 is
Int number,
yeah int number, and Delhi is also string, right?
string.
Yeah.
Yes.
So why we are declaring the variables? Like, what's the reason?
Because let's say you are making a thing. Let's say you want to means capture a, you can say, user value. Okay.
Hmm.
And the user have a different values, and they have a different data type. Like talk about R only. Makes sense. Let's say I will say, hey Shad, we need to print your information. Okay.
Hmm.
So to save your information, we require variables where we will store your information. Let's say this name, const, age, makes sense, city,
Hmm.
Delhi, and let's say country, Bangladesh, isn't it? So
Hmm.
require a variable so that we can utilize that. Make sense or not?
Yes.
Okay. Why variable? Store data, reuse values, make program dynamic. You can change the value. Right now, you will use this variable for storing the your data. Means you can use to store my data as well. Am I right?
Hmm.
Understood?
Yes.
Data type. Define the type of value stored in variable. Primitive data type. String, number, boolean, null, undefined, symbol, big int.
What these are primitive data types.
Primitive means which is already available in your this, which is already available in your language by default.
Hmm.
Makes
What is
sense?
the last one? Big int.
Means if you want to work with the means large integer range, okay, like something you can say scientifically or large number, then it's a big int is there. Earlier it's not there.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
And number can be deal with your this float and decimal both. Okay.
Okay.
String example. This is string example. Number, boolean, non-primitive data type, object array function. Okay.
I forgot about arrays. Arrays are tuple,
Le-
thing like that. No.
No, 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 no. Array is a, you can say, let's say you have a group of people.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Students, let's say. Students or pens. So we have a different, everyone student have a different record. Makes sense.
Yes. Hmm.
So what we will do, we will tell, hey, we are storing the name of the student. That time we are saying, hey, this is an array of string and it contains the all the you can say this.
Of a single student or all the student.
Means we will store in a single variable, we can store that. And with the help of, you can say, index, we can retrieve that value.
Okay.
Okay.
And objects?
Objects, let's say you will think of anything, whatever you are able to see in real life, that's an object, which has a property, which has a more lot of property, like pen have a color, size, makes sense.
Hmm.
And company, these are the properties. So how you will write that thing? That's a object.
Okay.
Okay. Function, we also learned that. Array, you can see this is array.
Hmm. So yeah, like we, it's kind of like we are saying what the single one element has, right?
Yes, means even though it's a storing multiple values, but with the help of single name, you can access all the values. We will see how.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
This is your object example.
Okay. Yep.
Okay. Mind map introduction by a variable data type. So create a JavaScript file and declare variables. Okay. Now store different data type in a variable. Create object and array example. Knowledge check. What language make web pages interactive? What language make?
JavaScript.
What keyword declares variables?
What keyword declares variable?
Variable. Yes.
Mm,
Var, let, and const.
yes.
Okay.
Var, let, and const.
Const. Summary: Java enable dynamic behavior on the web pages using variables and different data types. Okay.
Okay.
So let's do the practicals. I want you will do together. We will do together. Okay.
Okay.
So just open these things at your side. Where is full stack? Full stack. Java, Python. Then click Python. Where is my Python code? Okay, let me check that. And wherever you are stuck, please let me know. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna also open the VS Code.
Java full stack.
Can we both? No, we're not gonna do it in the same, right?
Sorry.
Like,
Same branch.
hmm,
Yes, it's totally up to you. If you want to do this later, that's you can do that. Okay, it's already there. Right. Full stack. Okay. So, and you have any question or concern, feel free to ask. Okay.
okay.
And feel free to interrupt me anytime. But I want you will be become expert here. so that when you do your assignment, then you will do with a confidence. So here I need to create a you say one thing HTML under HTML. Okay, now it's a neat and clean. So okay, okay. So in a JavaScript, variables, variables, and data types. Okay,
Yep.
.js. First thing first, let me show you
You are in the
script.
develop branch.
Yes, yes, yes. So I am. So let me show you how you can use this in a HTML. Okay.
Hmm.
So this is a way to use in HTML, JavaScript, variables, and data types. Okay. So here you can use this like this way. Script. Okay. Here you
Okay.
can use var.
Inside the body, right?
No, out after body. You can check that. It's after body.
Okay.
Okay. That's a name Deepak. And to print that, you can use this console.log Deepak name. Okay.
Hmm.
Then when you launch this, then owner. Okay. What happened? Okay. T is missing. That's why it's not running that way. Script. Okay. Now if you check this, now run this, then you're able to see Deepak. Okay.
So yeah, I have a question. So
Yes.
like this, the thing which you are showing me right now. Last
Yes.
class also, you showed me this console.log with using with my name. I get this part, like in console this thing is being printed, but what is the like how this script in the inspect console helping us, like when we were using HTML we could see everything in the front, right?
Okay.
So
No worries. Let me tell you.
yes.
Basically, if you are doing something, I mean, right, and you need to check step by step.
Hmm.
And if you want to check step by step, how you will do that? You cannot disturb your UI there. Am I right?
Hmm.
So what you will do, you will use this console log for debugging purpose. So you can check the information each and every point. What is the value is there, it's expected or not, something like that. Make sense for you?
Yes.
So right now you can put this, you can say header as well.
Hmm.
Earlier we put under the body, now we are putting under a header. Okay.
Hmm. So basically we use JavaScript to find out what's happening beside the HTML, like inside the page, right?
Yes, because means later on we will interact with our element as well dynamically. Okay,
Hmm.
we will interact price. Let post page number is equal to, you can say this. Mm, Page number is equal to 10. Here you can print multiple values. Okay, with a
Hmm.
comma separated, you can print multiple number.
I think you have done one mistake.
Okay, price page number. This one, semicolon.
No, in let price, that one is a string, right?
No, it could be it's a number.
It's a number.
Yes,
For
it
the
can.
number, for the number, it shouldn't be constant.
No, these are the keyword. I will info tell you means what is the purpose of it. Okay, no
Okay.
worries. So page number is 10, and if you refresh this page, then you are able to see these values. Okay,
Hmm.
so now constant means which variable, which value for that variable we cannot change its value. Let's say you will try to change. Let's say you will try to change Deepak. Okay,
Hmm.
then it will give you error. Unquote assignment to constant variable. Makes sense.
Hmm.
But for you can say this var, let's say name Deepak. Okay, you can change very easily. Or let's say at the place of Deepak, it's already there. We need to remove that. Because it's a constant. Now you're able to see exchange. Okay,
Hmm.
means variable with star means created with the var and this keyword. Let value you can change the value, but for this const you can't.
Hmm.
You don't want anyone can change its value. Makes sense. Like pi, let's say tax calculation. Okay.
Yes.
Any question or concern regarding this?
No.
For that means you can do one thing. You can cut this and paste in a different file. Okay. This is also feasible and this is best practices. Means we learned there. Am I right?
Hmm.
How you can external CSS, internal CSS. Okay.
So, for the JS, you are doing the same thing as the style.cs, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so we're not writing anything in HTML.
No,
Okay.
but we will learn in a future means when you will decide when you go with this part, when you go with the means you will mention here only. Make sense?
Yes.
Even though you can write a JavaScript with a this, you can say inline as well. Okay.
Yes.
Do you have any question?
No. Right now, I think, yeah.
Okay. Then what we need to do, we need to String we tried, boolean we need to try. Let's say is adult. And if you not use any keyword like this let and thing, you can also do that. Okay.
Mm.
Then in that case, it will consider a var. Let's say this is boolean is adult. Okay. It has two possible value, true or false. So this is a string. You can put double quote or single quote. Both are acceptable. Okay.
Mm.
Price, data type in number, can store float value as well as int value. Okay.
Okay.
So here can store integer number and is storing int value. Uh, so let me change this to single quote.
What's the difference?
Let's say sometime you need to use a special character or a special symbol, then this combination require.
Mm.
Okay. Let's say we want to say, hey, this is, let's say this. Makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
So this kind of combination, you need to require this. Okay.
Yeah, makes sense.
To differentiate the thing. So here, even though I'm not using this var constant thing, but I'm able to declare that, and let's check it's complaining us or not. So here we can say is adult. Okay,
Mm.
and then now run this. Here you can also run without HTML. It's a faster. Makes sense.
Mm.
Sorry.
Charge 10.5, 10 volts.
Okay, now it's working. Now we have covered number, we have covered string, we have covered boolean value, we have covered this. Am I right? Now we need to cover, you can say big int as well as symbol. Okay. Do you have any question or concern?
No, as far as that's good.
Are you able to do at your end or not?
Yeah,
Okay. Just share your screen and do this thing by your end.
yes, I can. So you want me to share my screen and do this, right?
Yes, yes. Why not?
Okay. So let's start. Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes. I'm able to see.
So what I'm gonna do is mm, how can I move all of this to this one?
No, no, don't need to do that. Just let me push the code. You can take a pull from develop. Okay,
Okay.
and you're good to go. That's our beauty of this working together on a Git. Okay,
Hmm.
let me push. Just pushing the data on this thing.
Is your health good?
I am suffering from cold from last
Oh,
two days. That is fine.
sorry to hear that.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay, I pushed.
You
It's
posted?
pushed. Yes.
Let me just go to the develop branch and pull from there.
Yes, create your practice branch. Shard practice variables. Okay.
Okay, create a new branch, right?
Yes, yes. From develop.
Practice.
Practice variables.
Slash variables.
Yes, slash variables and data types.
Um, I just created Saat practice variables.
Okay.
Publish branch, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so now I'm gonna merge branch, merge from develop.
No, you need to create a new branch. It's already, you can say, get all the code from there.
Yeah, here
Why
you
you
go.
refer?
So I have your develop branch here.
Yes, that's a beauty. You understand the advantage of this Git now.
Yes, yep. So over here you just define this one and this thing. Going over here. Here you go. Mm, is it okay?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Do you want me to write anything else?
Yes, you will go with another variable type like array
New
object.
file or in this one?
Here you can do that. Why you waste your time there to create a new file and
Okay.
do the thing.
Okay, so array,
Array object.
array object. What do you want me to write?
I want you need to write this. Let's say earlier you are using this, taking a different variable to store your value. Now you want you will use a object there
Hmm.
to store values. So your object start from a curly braces, okay, and it have a key value pairs.
What do you want me to write?
Just let me tell you what you need to write.
You're sharing a screen.
No. I'm not sharing. Just I'm guiding you. Right
Okay.
now, array will not start this way. You can use var or let. After let, in front of array object, not array object. Just array, use array. Students, use meaningful name, students.
Array students.
Students only.
Okay.
Var students, var. In front of that var students. And use a square bracket, not a curly braces.
Okay.
Here you will put a, you can say name like this. Saad, Ali, or Hussain, Muhammad. Okay, this is a way to create a this array. Now, after that, you need to create a object as well. For that, data type object. Press enter there. Go to a
Hmm.
next line. Next line. Yes, person. No, const person or this let person. Let person is
Uh,
equal to
okay.
curly braces.
Cultivation.
Under curly braces, you will use name. Under curly braces, name. Yes, this is the object. Okay.
Yeah.
Here you can say with the comma separated, you can store multiple value. Okay.
Hmm.
And we have another data type is available, which is a null and undefined big and symbol.
Okay.
Null. You can try those as well, please.
So over here, as we are like defining the array name, name, and what else? Deepak, age 25.
Yes. Here we are saying earlier we are storing this in a different variable. Line number one. You are have a different variable to store this name. I mean,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Age, or this thing, price and thing.
Hmm.
But how you can club that? Because in a real life means one entity have a multiple property.
Hmm.
Make sense?
Yeah. I have a question. This.
Why not?
Yeah. So this curly braces inside is this one is array, right?
No, this is object.
Object. And this one is array.
Yes.
This one
To
is array.
get a value, what you need to do?
Hmm.
Let's say you want to print Deepak from array. How you can print? Write console.log,
Yeah.
console.log, anywhere, console.log dot students. Let's say it's a start from array start from zero index. You will mention here zero in a square bracket with a student. Mention zero, not O.
Hmm.
Now you are able to access the first element. Okay.
The Deepak, right?
Yes. Same way, if you increase the one there, then you are able to access the star. If you increase one more, then you are able to get that Ali. Makes sense. If you do that beyond that, then it will give an error.
Uh,
One, you need to do one. Index value is one.
this one.
One. Yes. If you want to print your name.
Yeah.
Okay. No. No, for this, dot operator is fine. Remove that zero and thing. We don't require that. If you want to print the object values based on a key.
So for the object value, there's nothing, no index.
No,
Okay.
with the dot operator. Let's say you want to, you can say this. Now, any question? Do you have any question or concern?
Uh, so like the array and list, are they the same thing? Because list also we define it in this way, right?
Here we don't have a list, we have a array only.
Okay.
In a Python, this term change to list.
Yeah, right.
Yes. List or tuple. Tuple is a, you can say, array there.
Tuple, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And to call the object, it needs to be dot something.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just to do one thing as assignment, you need to create some variables there. Okay. Like right now you create a variable of person. You need to create a variable of animal. You need to create a variable or object of product. Make sense? And okay, let me tell you. You can. Are you good with this? Just try with a null and undefined. Create a one variable on a top called called var a. Don't give any value there.
Hmm.
Don't give any value. Just equal, remove equal as well. Put semicolon. Okay, now print this. Print this. Okay, now run. Do one thing. Install a runner extension as well. Go to extension icon. Go to extension icon. Here run. 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 Second option.
This one.
Yes,
This one is. It's already here.
it's already there. Okay, no worries. But okay, no worries. Okay, now you need to try a null. Null.
Null. Okay.
Yes.
So variable a equals to null.
Yes.
Console dot null. Where's the run button?
Okay, this is also data type. Okay, both are different. They say different. You can say undefined is different. Means undefined. Value not defined. Makes sense. Null is different. Means we have a value, but it's a null initially. No value. You understand the difference between both?
Yes.
Okay. So we're done with the null. We're done with the this. Now you need to do with the big int. Okay. So for big int, what you will do, let 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 begin. Yes, use this. Here you are able to see in the last we have a n notation.
Hmm.
Okay, that's a means it's a begin large number. Okay.
If we only do this big, let's say, uh, const number, and we do this, this will also come, right?
Yes, but if you want to store, there is a range. Okay. After some range, this will not support. Normal int will not support. Make sense?
Mm,
Now we need to do a, you can say this object we done. You can say this we done that. Now we need to do with the this big int. Just try big int. Okay, just do one thing. Create a variable, whatever you are saying. Let's say
mm,
take this only. Let's say take this only.
mm.
Now we have a type of operator. With the help of that, we can check the type. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
let's check the type.
Okay, just give me one second. Constant number equals to lambda plus, and then you were saying let begin, right?
You require n there. N last. Take a big means big number there,
Mm.
and you can say n in a last.
And
Okay. Now, Mina, this log console.log type of console.log console.log.
this will be
No. That's fine. Let is fine there. Let or const is fine there.
okay.
You can use.
Mm,
Okay. Type of. Inside that, inside begin, use type of.
okay. Type of, right?
Yes. Type of the check the type of everything like your this name, your person. Check the type of everything and see the difference. Like your begin.
Mm, this one is number. This one, this one null is should be null. Why this one is object?
Because null is also object.
Null is also an object.
Yes, man.
How?
Value is not there. Value is not there, but it's an object.
Okay. The undefined is undefined. That one is good. And this one, let's say we do this thing. Still begin. See?
Yes. Because if you remove the n, then it's the int only. Remove n. Remove n. Remove n in the last. Now run.
Hmm.
Now you need to uh, create a symbol.
Symbol.
Yeah, this is also data type.
Symbol equals to symbol ID. What is ID?
That when you want to give a uniqueness, then you use symbols. Okay.
I didn't get this 24, 25.
No worries, no worries. You will learn that. When we use in a real scenario, then you will learn. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
No worries at all. Okay. So right now, what you learned today? Could you tell me what you learned today?
So today we learned about the JavaScript, about the objects, all the variables, and how we are using them in the console to see whatever in the browser, whatever we are printing, it's gonna show over there, and also like the data types,
Perfect
JavaScript,
data type.
right?
Okay. Yes. So if you done this, then what you need to do, you need to. I am sharing something on GitHub. Okay. You need to take that up, or take a pull from develop in your own branch and attempt something there. Okay.
Okay.
And so just give me a moment. Okay.
Yeah.
So how's this change? Do you like this change?
Yeah.
Or you have a different opinion there?
No, no. This one is also good.
We want best one. Okay. We
Okay.
want best. Whatever best for you, we will require that.
Yeah.
Okay. If you think this is not best for me, Deepak, then we can change that approach.
Yeah. No, I like this approach.
Variable. Now you forget to implement one more data type is a function.
Hmm.
Please do that as well so that we will complete our chapter today.
Function.
Yes.
Function. What?
Let's say hello world.
Hello world. Like this.
Mm. Yes. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm doing something.
Okay.
Yes. Now you need to call that as well. Hold on. You need to call. On a below, you need to call. After
Hmm.
line of hello, hello, hello. Check the type of function as well. So you are confident there.
Yeah. String. Yeah, this one is a string.
Function is type a string.
No, no. Like this hello world is a string, right?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm talking about to check the type of function. What type of is?
Oh, over here?
Yes.
Okay, it's gonna say function, right?
Now, how many data types available in primitive? How many means non-primitive? Could you tell me? Could you write down the name there?
What? What name?
How many types available in JavaScript in a primitive data types and non-primitive?
Primitive and
Take a pull from develop. Take a pull from develop. I will push something there.
develop. Okay, and then let's go over there. Pull and merge it to this branch.
Yes, yes. Now go to this JavaScript. You are not able to get the my code. Why?
Mm, it
Now
should
it's
come.
not push. It's not pushed. It's not pushed. Sorry, it's my mistake.
Okay.
Let me push.
Mm, I have one question. Okay, after.
It's pushing. It's pushing the data. Okay.
Mm.
You can feel free to ask your question if you have any. By
So over
your
here, yeah, over here with this type of, we know this one is a string, right? Hello world.
yes.
And what about this type of we did with the hello world? It should print function over here,
Yes, it will print function
but it's not doing.
because you are not printing, man. You are not
Oh,
printing anything.
yeah, yeah, I need to
You are
print,
just
right?
calling that. You are just
Uh,
calling that.
okay. Now it's gonna print, right?
Yes.
Okay. Hmm. That's
Feel free to ask any question. It's a silly, it's a stupid, whatever is that. Don't care. Just ask. Okay.
uh, mm, should I pull?
Now, yes, please.
Uh, oh, what's happening? Okay, let me develop and then pull.
Why you are moving from here and there? In your own branch, you can do that directly.
Yes, I'm always used to this one.
But this is a bad practice. You can
Yeah.
do this in a one shot and you are taking two, three shots there. Time is money, man.
Okay, so this is the thing.
Check this. Check this.
What is a JavaScript? What are variables? Mm, enables dynamic. This is the thing in
For
the
you.
PPT, right?
Yes. Yes, yes. For you means I will keep it here as well. And in the last, I will put some, you can say, knowledge check as well and your assignment as well. And add more detail there as well.
Yes.
For mind means real mind analogy. So you can think in a real word as well.
Hmm. Okay,
You
so
need to answer these.
okay. JavaScript is primarily used for adding interactivity.
Yes.
Okay, which keyword is block scoped? Function, right?
Yes.
Which is not a primitive type. Uh, I think Boolean. No.
You check and let me know.
Uh, Primitive. I need to see the PPT.
Go up, everything is there on top.
Alright. Mm,
Object is a non-primitive type.
mm,
Makes sense. Like these
yeah.
are primitive type. These are the three are non-primitive type. So object, you need to go with the object there.
What is the type of null? Null is null.
No, object
Uh,
man.
Null is object. Yeah, yeah. Undefined is undefined. Sorry.
Now you understand why I changed the things.
Yes. Which is immutable. Uh,
Immutable, which value cannot be changed. You cannot change the value.
Variance we can change. Which is immutable. This one.
Const, man, const. You cannot
Const.
change the value.
Okay. What will type of 10 return? Um, Number.
Yes.
Which stores multiple value. Array.
Okay.
Which is a dynamic typing. Dynamic typing is type changes at around type
Type
print
change at type change at runtime.
runtime.
Earlier we will take a 10 there. Now we change to your name. It can change. You can
Hmm.
change. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, which is correct? Mm, 5 plus 5. I think none. Right?
Are you sure?
Yes, I guess.
B is right. Correct.
D.
B.
B is
Yes.
correct. Huh?
Yes. Try this. Copy this and print that on your code. Console.log and print this expression. Yes.
Uh, this looks really interesting. Console. This one, right?
Yeah. Yes. Now run.
55.
Now you understand.
Yeah.
Okay. Check another things. No, 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 no. Check another question and answer.
JavaScript runs only on browser server. Only on browser.
No, both.
Both.
Yes.
Okay. These are the answers. Well,
Yes.
like,
Now this is a subjective type question for you.
okay. Let var constant var function scope block scope.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you have everything. Here you go down. Then you have assignment as well with you. Make
Well,
sense? Yeah, this
this one.
practical assignment. Practical assignment. Yes. This one only.
Hmm.
You need to do that. Okay.
Okay.
Just a minute.